So your next coworker can plan projects, assign tasks, even review your code, and it's not human.
Yeah, companies are now experimenting with AI not just as a tool, but as an actual manager.
Think of them as self-driving workers. They use company data to tackle goals all on their own.
This is a huge jump from basic chatbots. These things can plan and get complex work done solo.
Take Snowflake, for instance. One engineer there spends up to 30 hours a week talking to 5 different AIs.
And get this, the agents manage each other. This scales things fast, but raises some serious job security questions.
This is giving rise to what some are calling the leaner office, a much flatter company structure.
We're already seeing this. Big names like Amazon, UPS, and HP are pointing to AI for recent layoffs.
And the roles most affected? Think programmers, accountants, and customer service reps, to name a few.
And it's not just entry-level jobs. AI is taking on middle management tasks, which is a huge change.
Basically, instead of doing the job yourself, you're now managing the AI that does your old job.
Okay, but let's be real. How much of this is hype versus what's actually happening on the ground? Turns out, a lot of these job cuts are based on what AI might do, not what it's doing now. In fact, a recent survey found over half of CEOs say they haven't seen any real benefits yet.
So what's the holdup? Well, the biggest roadblock isn't the tech. It's us. It's psychological.
On one hand, it's easier to give tasks to an AI. You don't feel like you're bugging anyone.
But on the other hand, AI can make people feel less capable, less autonomous, less human at work.
And if workers feel threatened, they might want the AI to fail, which means you get bad results.
It really all comes down to this. If you destroy trust, you'll lose any gains the tech might offer.
So some companies are pushing back. They're starting to prioritize something called the human premium.
Here's a great example. A wellness firm was offered an AI system for client intake. They said no.
Why? Because their clients preferred a human connection. Trust was just more important than efficiency.
And this is the big question everyone's going to have to face as AI gets woven into our work.